Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mosam. In this video we are going to understand arithmetic operators in Java. These are used to perform basic math operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and more. Let's see how they work with clear examples. So we're going to start with addition operation. We may have int a is equal to So we have int a is equal to and int b is equal to 5. Int result stores the result of addition of a and b. So now we're adding a plus b. This is a addition operator in Java. Now you see that our result is 7. This comes from 2, which is a, and the 5, which is b. So when you're adding 5 plus 7 plus 2, the result is 7. Let's see now the subtraction operation. The subtraction operation, we use the same sign which we use in mathematics, this operator. So when using this one, it means you are going to subtract. Let's change the value of a, give it 10. 10 minus 5, which is a minus 5. And we are storing our result into a variable result. Now if you run our program, we'll see that the result now is 5, which is 10 minus 5, answer is 5. Let's see the multiplication operation. The multiplication operator, we use an asterisk as our multiplication operator. This one is our multiplication operator. So now if we multiply 5 by 5, 10 by 5, we'll see that our result will be 50. So let's run the program. Now you see that 5 times 10 is equal to 50. That's our multiplication operator in Java. So the division operation. The division operator, we use the /. Now we have 10 by 5. So 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Now you see the result is 2. If we divide 10 by 5, we're going to have 2. That's the result. Okay, this one is a modulus operator. This operator gives us the remainder. So we have 10 divided by 5. The result is 2, but the remainder is 0. So if we see the result, if you learn, we see that the result is 0. You see now the result is 0. So let's try something like having a number which gives us a decimal point. Now we're divided by 10 divided by 3. Now you see that the remainder is 1. So this one, the modulus operator gives us the remainder of division. So now if you can see that if you want to find the remainder of a certain number, you don't need to trouble, you just need to use this operator. So thank you guys for being with me in this video. See you in the next video.